Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all will be well. My today's tutorial about the art of Arabic calligraphy is how to write letter Noon. I'm making an attractive artwork with the help of letter Noon. But I think you should say that this is the compilation of letter Noon in the specific design that will become a masterpiece of Islamic art of Arabic calligraphy. I'm trying to write Sulus letter Noon 3 times, and in the mid I'm going to write Wal Qalami Wama Yasturun. Dear viewers, I am Hamid Iqbal Khan, a calligrapher and a calligraphy teacher in the 3rd generation. Viewers, we can create art with the help of letters, and we should introduce this art to the new generation. We should create awareness of the Islamic arts among the people, which will definitely enhance their spiritual power, and they could be the part of noble cause. The script beauty has an importance in the Islamic fine arts and civilization. In the traditional calligraphy style, this is called Khat Suls. Now I am writing 3rd Noon with red ink, you can see. The students who have passion to learn this art, the art of Islamic calligraphy, they will find this lesson very useful to create their own art. I request you to become a part of spreading the noble art in the world, become a source of inspiration for the new generation. Islamic calligraphy is our traditional heritage. To keep this art and heritage alive, it's very important to teach this art to the new generation. I suggest you should watch the video till end and learn Islamic art of Arabic calligraphy, letters, and proper formation methods of holding the Qalam, and how to hold cut marker. You would be knowing how to hold brush while doing calligraphy work. Dear viewers, anyone who wants to learn the art of Islamic Arabic calligraphy through online tutoring can contact in the comment. And if you need any custom calligraphy work, any custom Arabic calligraphy masterpiece, or any painting, if you need, if there is any specific requirement, you can ask any question in the comment and you can tell us your requirement. Inshallah, we will reply you. If you have any question about the calligraphy material, methods, training, etc., you are welcome in the comment. You can find my complete contact information in the end of the video. Inshallah, meet you next time. Allah Hafiz.